Hey everybody, now we're talking about the final point in our 5-day mind state detox, and that is accountability. Accountability is so important for you to achieve your health and fitness goals. Okay, what is accountability? Accountability is about you, obviously, being accountable to your goals, but being accountable to other people as well, including yourself. Other people. So a really good strategy for this is to join a group like this that you're in, the Boot It Motivation group. Also, another accountability group that we have is our Boot It Mind Body Transformation program, which you can check out. Okay, within that group, you will be accountable. You'll put up your details and you'll put it out there and say, this is what I'm going to achieve. Now, the psychology behind this is that often when we're getting started, often when we've been falling off, it is really hard to be accountable to ourselves. However, if you put it out there and other people see it, then you don't want to let them down. So I would really encourage you to tell your partner, tell your children, tell your family, and even tell all your friends, hey, put a Facebook post up and say, hey, I'm on a mission to sort my health out, or I'm on a mission to get fit, or I'm on a mission to do this marathon, I'm going to do it. And I'm now accountable to it. The analogy being like a rugby team. If you've got a rugby team, you know you need to be there for the team. You are far more likely to turn up. So that is really, really important. You have to be accountable for your actions. Going back to what John said, climbing up the mountain. So you're getting up that mountain. Perhaps you have a slip up. Yes, you are accountable to get yourself going back up the mountain. But the great thing about being part of a group is that you have other people around you. It's like going up a mountain either by yourself, where you're completely solo, or having, experienced people around you and supportive people around you. When you're feeling tired or you slip or you're lost, they can pull you up and help you get to the top of that mountain, team. So accountability, massive. Take responsibility for your actions. Take responsibility for your goals. We know you can do it. Well done on getting through the 5 days and the 5-day mind state detox. Carry on with it and keep going.